Wisdom Industrial Power is a manufacturing and trading combo specializing in lithium batteries for over 17 years and offers solutions for new energy vehicles, forklifts, and storage power. The brand BSLbatt means best solution for lithium batteries and can provide up to 5 years or 10,000-hour warranty. The production base in Anhui Province is the first professional lithium battery factory in China for forklifts, producing both cells and whole battery packs, with an annual power output of over 500 million watt-hours. With a total of 280 employees, including 20 technicians and 17 QA staff, the company has a strong management team and senior engineers with over 16 years experience in lithium battery production, owning 36 patents for utility models and 5 copyrights for software applications. Wisdom Industrial Power is the first company in China that uses an all-water system to produce cells, which is more environmentally friendly and safer than the oily system. BSLbattery cells opt for a lamination process instead of a windling process, which keeps a good consistent performance over the entire cell. They cooperate with Hefei University of Technology and other domestic research centers to keep improving the battery management system and cell performance, focusing on providing better quality and service to their clients. Achieving a win-win with clients is always the goal, so feel free to reach out. We'd be happy to talk to you.